guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 159. We just got a call from Silmar, and the customer was willing to drive down here because she had to visit her friend. So we're gonna be at the Coffee Bean fixing her phone. It's an iPhone 6s rose gold, and it's super smashed up. It's like literally in chops. It's like a kind of like a chop. I don't know what, just like a chop style or whatever. It's pretty crazy based on the pictures that she sent me. So we're gonna fix that right now, and we'll just show you how it's done and how we just turn a super smash to awesome cash. See you soon. Peace cut. Hey guys, we just saw that phone, the iPhone 6s rose gold. We just finished it, and the customer just dropped it off and left to a donut shop a few blocks from here. So we're right now going to drop the phone to her that it's finished. We just saw it's all good. We put it in a nice little bag so we might get damaged until we get to the customer. We also give her a free tempered glass. So everything was good and fun, and it was cool doing it next to a fireplace and kind of being like a little dark, not pitch black, but dark, and a little bit of light, and I don't know, you just kind of have a cool. I can't wait to see the camera and how the effect came out next to the fireplace with the flares and stuff. So we'll see how it goes when we edit this, and in the meantime, thank you for watching. Enjoy this video, and we'll see you in vlog 160, and that's officially 160. That's a stepping stone for us, and hopefully for you too. So hey guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in vlog 160. Have a beautiful night, evening, day, morning, and we'll see you soon. Peace cut.